Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to download photos from Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to download photos from Picsart, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening a Picsart app guys, on this interface you'll land over here, which is the home interface of Picsart. Now at the bottom of the screen on this interface you can see a bunch of icons available for us. You'll be required to tap on the folder icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, just beside the plus button. Tap on it and all of your photos will be over here on the all check, and all of your photos will be over here. This is the all categories of the photos, but guys, if you go to the photos section of your account on this menu, all of your photos on Picsart will be over here. Now in order to download a particular photo, simply tap and hold on the photo which you want to download, and after that the download button will be available for us over here, and you can see guys that has been downloaded. So in order to download it, just tap and hold on it and tap on the download button over here, and that photo will be downloaded from Picsart on your phone. And that being said guys, this is how to download photos from Picsart, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.